Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Allure beauty box for the month of May. I'm really excited to dive in. I have been super impressed with this box. Basically, since December, everything has been really great. And I think they are doing an amazing job. So I'm really excited to see what this month's box holds. So I've done my makeup where I think I'm going to use a couple of things in here to finish my makeup off. If I saw some of these spoilers correctly, we may or may not be able to use these, but I haven't peeked. So let's take a look. Here's what we got. Got a little pamphlet and then our bag. Oh, it looks like they changed the bag up a little bit. So the little booklet I'm just going to put to the side and then we'll check it out. Oh, there's a couple things that are not inside the bag. So first, this is the Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Vibe. Here it is in the box. Wow, this is like a nude. Okay, I didn't know what to expect. Vibe could be any color. I did a nude eye too, so I may wind up changing this later, but I want to try it out. It's thick, but it's not sticky. It smells so yummy. It smells like cake batter. It's a weird consistency, but I think I like it. So this one is paraben free and cruelty free. Let's take a look really quick. This is a full size and it goes for $20. It says it's a pale pinkish nude. I'm not really seeing pink. I'm seeing more like maybe a hint of peach, but it looks very neutral. Maybe kind of looks like it, but it's just like tan colored, peachy tan maybe. And then it says it's sheer with warm tones. Yeah, it is warm. It's not pink. I'm confused. So I actually kind of like this. I'm impressed. And we got a full size item already, which is more than the cost of the box, which is $15 a month. So yeah, I think we're off to a good start. We also have a Saint-Tropez 10 applicator mitt, which I am really excited about, which means there's a tanning product in there. Lately, I've been getting back into tanning, so I'm excited about that. I think these go for about $6 or $7. It doesn't say in the little booklet, but I think that's the price of these. So now let's get into everything in the bag. So they did have bags that had little snaps on them, but this one just has like a little piece that you stick in there. This is actually really cute. The orange is so summery. So the first thing I see are these NS Anti-Frizz Sheets, which look like this. Portable hair luster sheets. Oh, they're soaked in coconut oil. I don't know about this because my hair is very fine. As you can see, it lays pretty flat. This would not be something that I'd be like, oh my god, yes, I have to have these. And they're $18 for a box of 15. They're like $1 something a piece. So, you know, three bucks maybe. I will probably pass these on to somebody else. I do get a little frizzy right after I blow dry, but it usually goes away. I don't think I'm going to be using those. We have the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. Looks like this. This is a little mini guy. The full size is 1.6 ounce and goes for $35. This is 0.2 ounces. So this is like a little tiny sample size. I am excited to try it out. Oh, wow. I've been nitpicky before and people are like, oh, you need to stop, whatever. But this is, the product stops right here, right where my finger is. So again, it's a little deceiving. They do include full and sample sizes, so it's really not a big deal. So this is our Saint-Tropez product. This is the Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. It looks like this. I have really enjoyed Saint-Tropez tanning products in the past, so I'm excited to try it. So this one, a full size, is 6.7 ounce and goes for $44. This is 0.8 ounces. I'm hoping this is enough to use on the whole body. I feel like this might be pushing it to even get your whole body done. So yeah, I guess this is a great way to try it once. The next product looks really interesting. This is Lue, I don't know. I'm just gonna not butcher that. So here's what it looks like right here. This is a cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. It goes for $15 and it looks like this is the full size. Of course, they in the picture show you like this really nice full bottle. I'm sure it's got a good amount of product in here, but it does leave a lot of like empty space. Oh, this is called Erase, excuse me. You mix a tablespoon of it with water to form a paste, apply to face and let dry 1 minute. You know, you like put it on your skin. You just like lay it on there. It should come off like eraser peels, taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. I'm really excited to try this because it's very interesting. I have used other cleansing and exfoliating powders before, but this one is worded a bit differently, so it seems like it's gonna like kind of ball up and peel away. So I'm excited to see if this is different than like, I've tried the Boscia one, I've tried the Amore Pacific enzymatic peel, and I like those, so I'm excited to see how this one stacks up. All right, we've got one more item. This is the Eye Lights Metallic Eyeshadow from Model Co. That is the box. Let's see. here is the tube. I think I had pretty good luck with the Model Co brow product that I've used in the past, so I'm excited to try this one. This goes for $12. I think that's a pretty reasonable price for this size. It's a bronzy champagne cream shadow, dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. Ooh, that's a big statement there. You can also blend the edges out for a glittering haze. So I kind of did my eyes very simply today, just threw it in the crease and blended. So I'm gonna try this out. The product laid down, and then as I tried to blend it, it picked it up. So you can't really see that it's on there. This might blend better with a brush. Oh no, this is bad. All right, I'm gonna go in with a third layer and see if anything will actually stay on with a brush. Here's what it looks like. It did a lot better with a brush. I'm afraid if I open my eye really wide right now, it will just kind of like peel because it's kind of thick and paste-like. I'll try just one layer over here and see how much better it looks. It actually looks a lot better with the layers. With this one layer on the side, it's not really doing much. I don't really like this. I'm just gonna be honest. It feels very sticky on my eyelid, like my eyelid's kind of sticking together. We'll see if that improves as it dries, of course, which it may. I'm trying to just feather the edges a little bit without disturbing the majority of the product. So this side feels dry now. So it did dry really fast, which they said that it would, but my lid feels heavy and like caked with product. I did have to layer it on. Then when you only do one layer, even though the brush applies it better, it just doesn't have as much impact. It looks prettier on the side, but I'm not feeling this at all. A little bit of mascara to finish this off. And this is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist, which I love. It's so affordable and so good. All right, so that was everything in the box. I am still very excited to try out this erased powder from Allure. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I'm still really excited to try this out. I'm happy with this product. The lip gloss is actually doing really well. It is, again, it's not sticky, but it is like thick and creamy, if it makes sense. So I feel like this will wear a pretty long time considering it's just a gloss. And I am very excited to try out this Saint-Tropez gel. Even if I only get one use out of it, at least I can try it out and see what I think. And then the applicator mitt will come in handy. I feel like I kind of needed a new one, so I'm very happy with that as well. So those are the products that I'm excited about. Probably been my least favorite box the entire year, but like I said, they were blowing me away from like December to April, so I cannot complain. One box every now and then not being utterly amazing is totally fine in my opinion. You're gonna have some hits and some misses. So overall, I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys liked seeing this unboxing. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me some comments below and let me know what you thought about this box. If you feel like I am spot on with it, you feel like I'm being too critical, or do you think this was even worse than what I made it out to be? I am always very excited to hear what you guys think. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.